Got the brushes there for the inner coil, so make sure to save this. I just got the cast iron cover off, and I'd only think there'd be 3 wires coming out, but there's 6 wires. So I'm gonna have to do some research online and see what to hook the ESC up to. I'm gonna see if I can find a 1000-watt e-bike controller that can run sensorless motors, because I'm too lazy to put Hall sensors in this. So I just got this figured out. This one and this one go together. These two go together, and then the last two right here and here go together. Yeah, so I got the alternator center coil hooked up to a 6-volt battery, and then the 3 phases hooked up to my RC car. She spins. That is amazing. Okay, so I got the ESC hooked up to a 4S battery and a potentiometer. Spins the motor. I just caught this ESC on fire. It shorted out just because from my air, but
yeah, one just caught on fire too.